Ever wondered why Pakistan is a food lover's paradise? Picture a land where countless civilizations have left their mark, a place where each region boasts its unique culinary treasures. Yes, that's Pakistan, a paradise for food lovers. Pakistan is a country where food is much more than just sustenance. It's a form of art, a piece of culture, an aspect of identity, and above all, a universal language of love. The cuisine here is a delectable fusion of flavors, a testament to the country's rich historical tapestry. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the Mughals, Persians, Arabs, Turks, and the British, each group has left an indelible impression on the nation's culinary landscape. In the northern regions, you'll find a cuisine heavily influenced by Central Asian flavors. Picture hearty meat dishes, aromatic rice platters, and an array of breads, all staples of a diet designed to fuel the hardy mountain folk. As we move south, the cuisine becomes more diverse. The fertile plains of Punjab are known for their rich, buttery dishes and sweet treats. Sindhi cuisine, on the other hand, is renowned for its spicy curries and delicious seafood. Balochistan offers a distinct nomadic influence, with meat and dairy forming the heart of its dishes, while Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is famous for its succulent barbecues. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. The bustling cities of Karachi and Lahore are melting pots of different food cultures. From the spiced biryanis and juicy kebabs of Karachi to the mouth-watering niharis and tantalizing chats of Lahore, the sheer diversity of food is mind-boggling. And let's not forget the street food. The vibrant street food scene is an integral part of Pakistan's culinary identity. It's a sensory overload of tantalizing aromas, vibrant colors, and explosive flavors that will leave you craving for more. In Pakistan, food is a celebration of life. It's a symphony of flavors that tells the story of the country's rich history, diverse culture, and the warm hospitality of its people. So, are you ready to dive into the 20 delicious reasons to visit Pakistan? Kickstart this culinary journey with the first 5 delights. First up, we have the regal biryani, a dish that has as many versions as there are provinces in Pakistan. Biryani is a flavorful symphony of fragrant basmati rice, succulent meat, and an array of spices that are cooked together to create a dish that's both delicious and visually appealing. Each bite of biryani is a burst of flavors, making it a must-try for anyone visiting Pakistan. Next on the list is Nihari, a traditional breakfast dish that's sure to make your taste buds dance. This slow-cooked stew is made from tender beef or mutton, and a blend of spices that infuse the meat with a rich, deep flavor. Nihari, served with warm naan bread, is a dish that will keep you coming back for more. Third is halim, a hearty dish that's perfect for those chilly winter nights. Halim is made by slow cooking a mixture of lentils, wheat, and meat until it achieves a thick, porridge-like consistency. The dish is then garnished with caramelized onions, fresh coriander, and a squeeze of lemon, creating a balance of flavors that's truly irresistible. The fourth delight is chapli kebab, a specialty of the Pashtun regions. These flat, round kebabs are made from minced meat, mixed with a variety of herbs and spices, and then pan-fried to perfection. The result is a kebab that's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and utterly delicious. Last but not least, we have samosa chaat, a popular street food that's both tangy and spicy. Samosa chaat consists of crispy samosas topped with chickpea curry, yogurt, and a variety of chutneys. The combination of textures and flavors makes samosa chaat an absolute delight for the palate. These were just the appetizers. The main course is yet to come. Let's continue this flavorful journey with the next 5 delicacies. First stop, Sindhi biryani. This aromatic rice dish is a testament to the rich culture of Sindh. With its layered flavors and textures, it's a symphony of succulent meat, fragrant basmati rice, and a blend of spices that will send your taste buds on a roller coaster ride. The unique blend of spicy and sweet makes Sindhi biryani an absolute must-try. Next, we travel to Punjab for the dynamic duo of sarson da saag and makki di roti. This traditional Punjabi dish is a beautiful blend of mustard greens and cornbread. The rich, buttery taste of sarson da saag perfectly complements the hearty and rustic makki di roti. This dish is a testament to the simplicity and wholesomeness of Punjabi cuisine. Our journey takes a spicy turn with aloo keema. This dish, a staple in many Pakistani homes, is a hearty concoction of minced meat and potatoes cooked in a medley of spices. The warm, comforting flavors of aloo keema make it a favorite comfort food for many. Next, we head to Peshawar for the famous chapal kebab. These tender and juicy kebabs are a Peshawari specialty made with minced meat and a unique blend of spices, then grilled to perfection. The smoky, spicy flavors of chapal kebab are sure to leave a lasting impression on your palate. Lastly, we delve into the rich, hearty flavors of paya. This traditional dish, made with slow-cooked trotters and a special blend of spices, is a soul-soothing experience. The gelatinous texture of the trotters combined with the spicy and tangy flavors of the broth make paya a dish that is both unique and memorable. Still hungry for more? Let's move on to the next set of delicacies. Now let's delve into the traditional tastes of Pakistan. As we journey further into the heart of Pakistan's culinary landscape, we uncover the essence of its culture, steeped in centuries-old traditions. The next 5 dishes on our list are not just meals, they're a testament to the nation's rich heritage. Starting off, we have golgappe, a popular street food that's as fun to eat as it is to say. These crispy, hollow spheres are filled with a tangy and spicy tamarind sauce, chickpeas, and potatoes. Bursting with flavor in each bite, it's a sensory experience that's hard to forget. Next on our list is chicken karahi. Named after the iron pot it's cooked in, this dish is a symphony of spices, tomatoes, and succulent chicken pieces. The rich, hearty gravy is best enjoyed with a warm naan, making it a comfort food for many Pakistanis. Moving on, we have mutton korma, a royal feast hailing from the Mughal era. Slow-cooked, tender pieces of mutton are bathed in a creamy, aromatic sauce of yogurt and spices. This dish is a testament to the love for slow-cooked food in Pakistani cuisine, offering a taste that's truly timeless. Fourth on our list is Sajji. Originating from the province of Balochistan, Sajji is a whole lamb or chicken, marinated in local herbs and slow-roasted over an open flame. The result is an incredibly juicy and tender meat with a smoky flavor that's simply irresistible. Finally, we have pulao. This fragrant rice dish, cooked with meat and a blend of spices, is a staple at any Pakistani gathering. Each region has its own unique version of pulao, making it a versatile dish that truly represents the diversity of Pakistani cuisine. With these traditional dishes, we've reached the 15th reason. Are you ready for the final 5? We're down to the final 5 delights, and they are sure to leave you craving more. First up is dal chawal, a simple yet soulful dish. It's comfort food at its best, a hearty combination of lentils and rice cooked to perfection. The flavors are subtle, but they pack a punch that will have you coming back for more. Next, we have shami kebab. These tender, juicy kebabs are made from minced meat, lentils, and a blend of spices, then shaped into patties and fried until golden. Shami kebab is a culinary masterpiece that strikes a perfect balance between texture and taste. Then, there's the mutton biryani, a dish that needs no introduction. This aromatic, flavorful dish, loaded with succulent mutton pieces and fragrant basmati rice, is a symphony of flavors that tells a tale of the rich culinary heritage of Pakistan. Our penultimate delight is the seekh kebab. Skewered minced meat, infused with a medley of spices and grilled to perfection, it's a treat for all the senses. The smoky flavor and the melt-in-your-mouth texture make seekh kebab a must-try. Last, but certainly not least, is kulfi. This traditional Pakistani ice cream, dense and creamy, is the perfect finish to any meal. Its unique flavor, derived from condensed milk and a sprinkle of pistachios, offers a delightful twist to the conventional ice cream. And with that, we've covered all 20 delicious reasons to visit Pakistan. As we wrap up this culinary journey, let's remember the 20 tantalizing reasons we've explored. From the sizzling kebabs to the sweet delights of gulab jamun, the diversity and richness of Pakistani cuisine is truly remarkable. Each dish is not just a meal, but a reflection of the country's vibrant culture and its warm hospitality. So next time you're wondering where your taste buds should travel, remember these 20 delicious reasons to visit Pakistan. Bon appetit!